Hello and happy Pride Month. I'm Refashionista Sheri, and I am here to show you just how easy it is to transform those items that you have lurking at the back of your closet into some rockin' rainbow refashions. All of my tutorials are available for free over on my blog in my Pride and Rainbows index. Like this adorable denim jacket, all I did was bleach it, add some patches, and of course, don't forget the rainbow floral sunglasses. Plus, I mean, what a great scrap busting project. This is a rainbow hoodie, as well as, again, more patches. Patches are one of the easiest ways to refashion your items. And of course, yet another adorable blouse. And what is this? Oh, look, more patches and an adorable heart button. And last but certainly not least is my awesome, amazing rainbow flag denim jacket. As I said, all of these tutorials are available over on my blog at refashionistasheri.com.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.